Good day to all the producers. I am Schmidt, Senior Agriculturalist within Kynoch Fertilizers. Kelp is the same word as seaweed extract. Seaweed extract is extract coming from the sea bamboo that we find alongside the southern coastline of South Africa, stretching from the Gansbaai area all around to the west coast side to Kommetjies area. And the scientific name is Eclonia maxima. So according to different extraction methods, the sap of the bamboo is extracted. There are normally 3 methods being used. Everybody thinks that plant growth reaction that we observe after applying it to plants is because of the hormone content, which would be auxin and cytokinin. But it's not totally correct. There are also other beneficial substances within the kelp, like prasinosteroids, aminos, humic acids, and even some nutrient elements. And all of them in a synergistic way will render this a positive growth reaction that we see on crops. So kelp can be described as a bio-stimulant, a plant growth promoter, and it's just beneficial for a plant to spray it or to use it during its production period. In terms of application and guidelines, kelp could be applied in the agricultural system in various ways. Firstly, directly to the soil by mixing the kelp into a liquid fertilizer. The liquid fertilizer could be band placed during the planting process, very close to the seed, where the kelp will be available to promote plant development. It can also be dripped during the planting process on the seed. And then in permanent crops, the kelp could be washed into the soil with water, the so-called drenching method. Another handy application method is via irrigation systems like center pivots, sprinkler irrigation, drip lines, micro and macro emitters, as well as in hydroponic systems. Another method is to apply as a foliar spray by means of a rucksack sprayer, a tracker sprayer, or an orchard sprayer. And the fact that kelp can be applied in so many ways, it really makes sense to include it in a fertilizer program as a standard product to be used. If I can summarize, kelp is coming from the sea. It's a natural product. Without any chemical additions, it is organic of nature. It stimulates plant growth, it's good for plants. It can be applied in various ways, and therefore it should be seen as a product to be used standard in a fertilizer program.